X-23, X-23, Wolverine. More Wolverine, sharp Wolverine fan theories that actually make sense. 6 of 187, the top Marvel Comics superheroes. 5 of 297, the best comic book superheroes of all time. Wolfsbane, Pete Wisdom, Warpath. More Warpath. 36 of 64, the best X-Men characters of all time. 39 of 47 X-Men characters who deserve their own movie. 19 of 34, the best Native American characters in movies and TV. Vanisher. More Vanisher. 212 of 502. The best comic book villains. 90 of 137, the best X-Men villains and enemies ever. 83 of 237 X-Men villains. Sunspot. More Sunspot. 5 of 20, the best Latinx comic book characters. 19 of 20, the best superhero mentors. 59 of 100, top 100 most popular superheroes and villains in comic books. Storm. More Storm. 2 of 90, top 35 plus best black superheroes in comics. Ranked by fans. 97 of 935, the greatest female TV characters of all time. 1323 of 3,512, the best movie characters of all time. Spiral. Siryn. Shatterstar. More 12 of 20, the absolute worst superhero costumes ever. 49 of 50, the most ridiculous superheroes ever. 1 of 26, the worst haircuts ever sported by superheroes. Rictor. More Rictor. 12 of 25, the most redundant X-Men characters. Ranked 15 of 26, the best X-Force members. Ranked 15 of 32, the best New Mutants members. Ranked. Puck. Prosh. Nightcrawler. Danielle Moonstar. Or Danielle Moonstar. 29 of 41, the best comic book characters with black hair. 4 of 32, the best New Mutants members. Ranked 81 of 100, top 100 most popular superheroes and villains in comic books. Hepzibah. Feral. More 144 of 502, the best comic book villains. 4 of 25, the most redundant X-Men characters. Ranked 6 of 15, all the major comics characters with cat powers. Fantomex. More 7 of 13, Mystique's long and shape-shifting list of lovers. 13 of 16, the same Weapon X program that created Wolverine, also made Captain America, Luke Cage, and more. Elixir. More Elixir 5 of 16 Marvel mutants whose superpowers have changed drastically since you were a kid. 11 of 20 the most powerful mutants in the Marvel Universe. 124 of 237 X-Men villains. Copycat. Deadpool. More Deadpool. The funniest texts from Deadpool. How Deadpool nearly killed all of the classic literary characters. 250 of 876 the greatest movie villains of all time. Cypher. More Cypher. 1 of 14 obscure superpowers that would be genuinely handy in your everyday life. 26 of 36 comic characters that really shouldn't get movies. Cyclops. More Cyclops. 642 of 737 the most annoying TV and film characters ever. 10 of 17 the most uncomfortable masks in comic book history. 5 of 12 the best boyfriends of superheroes in comics. Colossus. More Colossus. 3,134 of 3,512 the best movie characters of all time. 12 of 13 Marvel superhero deaths you knew were never going to stay permanent. 9 of 12 the 12 most indestructible comic book characters. Cannonball. More Cannonball. 142 of 187 the top Marvel Comics superheroes. 256 of 297 the best comic book superheroes of all time. 45 of 99 the best teenage superheroes. Caliban. More 57 of 137 the best X-Men villains and enemies ever. 7 of 15 all 15 Marvel characters who have been in Apocalypse's Horsemen. 9 of 20 the best comic book characters who have yellow eyes. Tabitha Smith. Bishop. More Bishop. 10 of 90 top 35 plus best black superheroes in comics, ranked by fans. 12 of 15 how major X-Men characters are different in the Age of Apocalypse timeline. 5 of 120 the best fictional spies, ranked. Bedlam. Archangel. More Archangel. 25 of 88 the best alternate costumes in Marvel Comics. 44 of 68 the greatest Marvel Avengers characters of all time. 21 of 47 X-Men characters who deserve their own movie. Hope Summers. Psylocke. More Psylocke. 27 of 214 the best female video game characters. 11 of 15 comic book characters with inconsistent canons that are all over the place. 2 of 60 the 30 plus best British superheroes in comic book history. Marrow. ForgetMeNot. Domino. More Domino. 4 of 33 Wolverine's long list of lovers. 24 of 64 the best X-Men characters of all time. 11 of 12 the most useless superpowers in comics. Dr. Nemesis. Dr. Nemesis. Cable.
guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.